Hi guys, it's Arlene and welcome back to my channel. Yes, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, my February Boxycharm box has arrived. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, you should tell me what's inside your February Boxycharm box because this is what I have. This is from QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. Let's see what it says. Oh, look. This is it. Okay, so that's one. The next one is a correcting primer. It's 4-in-1 correcting primer, and it says energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. It's silicone free, so I'm excited about this one, guys, because this primer smells so good. Smells so good. Actually already tried it just today. Look, it's let me see if you can see it. It's, oh, I don't want to waste it. Go back in there, go back in there. Anyway, I wasted it already, but this is how it looks. And you know, when you apply it on your face, it just feels so smooth and it just glides and it dries pretty fast, like maybe 30 seconds. Love this primer. And they also sent me a cake pencil. This is an eyeliner. This one, and let me show you. So we are going to check that out in a while. We're gonna try them, yes. And also they sent me a complete sponge set, Bake Contour Detail. Love it. Last but not the least, they sent me a setting powder. It's actually a coconut setting powder. I haven't tried a coconut setting powder before. I have been using the NYX setting powder and I love it. So let's go open this box. See? Oh, look. We are going to check this out later as well. And I can't smell it because it's covered. Anyway, so they sent me these 5 items. You have the setting powder, you have the eyeliner, you have the primer, the eye cream, which I'm gonna use tonight, and I'm going to tell you guys, I'm gonna let you know how it will work, and also the sponge set. So guys, let us try these products and see, you know, how it will look on my face, plus also the products from the January Boxycharm box. And if you remember, they have given me this Grande Drama mascara. They also sent me the Trip for Two blush and bronzer. And also they sent me last month the palette, the Scarlet Dusk palette. And also they sent me Too Faced highlighter last month. So actually I've tried this already. I love it. So we are going to try these products now. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we are going to try some of the palettes here. I think I'm gonna do Nocturnal, and then probably we're gonna use just any shade. So let's do that. Okay, so okay, nice. I like it. I love it. Let's do more. That's pretty much it. Quick and easy. And I love it so far. All the products that Boxycharm sent me, I love them all. So guys, please do let me know. I'm so excited to know what's inside your February Boxycharm box, February 2020. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. If you like this video of mine, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I am going to see you next time. Thanks guys for watching, and see ya. Like a Hellcat.